Hi, welcome to TysConsciousKitchen. Today I'm making alkaline hummus 3 different ways. I'm going to make a classic, avocado, and also a roasted red pepper. And all the items I'm using currently are Dr. SEBI'S Nutritional Guide, and they are chickpeas, tahini, sea salt, onion powder, olive oil, lime juice, ginger, cayenne, and spring water. And today we have our new member in TysConsciousKitchen. This food processor is a gift from Lorena and Tim Lewis. I appreciate the gift very much, so thank you. So let's begin. So first I'm going to take 2 cups of cooked garbanzo beans, a teaspoon of sea salt, a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of ginger, and when you blend those 2 together it gives it a garlic flavor, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and also 2 tablespoons of tahini. And this gives this hummus a very smooth texture. Then we're going to blend it till it's nice and smooth. I'll check the size of it. And if it's too dry, you can add a little bit of water to it, like a tablespoon at a time. So I added about a 1/4 cup of water to smooth out the hummus. And the texture is nice and smooth now. I'm going to show you how to make the avocado and the roasted red pepper hummus. This is how you roast the red pepper. You can actually roast it on your stove top, or you can actually put it in your broiler in your oven. What you want to do, you want to just pretty much get the skin nice and black. And then what you're going to do is pretty much wipe the burnt part off, and there you have a roasted pepper. So after I roasted the red pepper, you can see that it's nice and charred. So we're going to add about a half a cup of the roasted pepper to the hummus. What you want to do is scrape off the burnt part. You don't have to get all of it off, just most of it off. Like that. Then we're going to dice it up, add it to the hummus, and blend it some more. Now for the avocado hummus, we're going to take a half of avocado and we're going to add it to the hummus and blend till nice and smooth. Now that the hummus is done, I like to top it off with a little bit of olive oil. That's the classic. The avocado reminds you of guacamole. And one of my favorites is the red peppers. I'm going to enjoy these with my homemade tortilla chips. And there they are, alkaline hummus. They look delicious. And they taste delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.